Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change resolution in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to their website and download the Wondershare Filmora application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go, of course, if you want, and log into your profile in the actual program, but this is not necessary. Now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So basically, in the top left corner, we have the edit, file, tools, view, export, and help options. Export is not available at the moment because we don't have anything inside. And here we have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and the split screen option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change resolution in Filmora. So basically what you need to do is go and let's first of all put something in here. I will not be putting a video, I'll just be putting it in an audio here, just so that I have the export button available so that I can show you in the options how you can go and change the resolution. But of course, if you have a video, it will be here. You can just drag it here and create it there. So as I said, I'll be dropping this here. And now when we have it, you can see the export button is available now. I'll be clicking on this export button. And here, as you can see, we have all of these options. We want to save it on our PC, so we'll be choosing the local one. And here we have a lot of options. If you want to do MP4, AVI, TS, MP3, whatever, but for video, of course, we're going to be going MP4. And this is what we need to do now. Here, as you can see, resolution. You can click on settings, and here you can go and change your resolution. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this, guys, really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, guys, for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.